Performing cleft grafting. In performing cleft grafting or simple grafting, you will need to prepare the following: grafting knife, grafter tape or any available plastic tape, stick, rootstock, and the scion. First, identify the active growth part of the plant. This is mostly found in the center of the stem and has a clash of color green and brown. It is a mature part of the plant that is capable of any propagation method. Use this part for the union. Split the center of the rootstock from top to down at 3 cm deep or depending to the size or type of the plant. Make a long ledge in the scion space. Cut the side ledge enough to fit into the slit center of the rootstock. Slightly open the cut part of the rootstock, then insert the scion into the split center. Tie the union. Start tying the part below counter-clockwise going up and then clockwise going down. Cover the upper part of the union with the plastic.